Hey guys, today let's learn how to lock or hide your hidden photos album. The first thing to do is to open settings. Once here, scroll down until you find photos. Now, you can switch to this option that says Use Face ID. What this does is it uses and requires your Face ID to unlock hidden and deleted albums. So, if you want to use your face to open your albums, this is the best option. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.